I am Ethan. I've been playing drums for the last 17 years. For me, being a musician, it's kind of like your whole life is both your work and your passion. I never intended to start a business with drum building, but it seemed to be the kind of thing where once I started doing it, there was a clear need for it in the area. I started working at NextFab, just experimenting, trying to get down the process, and before long, after I'd made my first snare drum, a friend of mine asked me if I would build a full kit for him. Before I even knew whether I could do it or not, I said, you know what, I'll give it a try. It took me about a year and a half to build that full kit. Shortly after that, some friends of mine approached me about turning this into a business, and so the three of us worked together to get the Philadelphia Drum Company off the ground. But it was definitely in building a kit for someone else and seeing how excited they got about it and how excited I got about it. It really got me hooked on building not just for myself, but for other people.